Hi everyone, this is Sushmita and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review this Total Skincare Kit by Pavitra Natural. This kit has 3 products that are basic essential for skincare routine for any type of skin. The Daily Detox Facewash, the Face and Body Ubtan and the Bio Skincare Oil. All Pavitra products boast of natural ingredients and are free of harmful chemicals like sodium lauryl sulfate, paraben, alcohol, besides artificial colors and fragrance. Being very mild in nature, I have even used them earlier during my pregnancy and nursing phase. The first product in the Total Skincare Kit is the Daily Detox Facewash. This is made of activated charcoal, pomegranate and aloe vera. While activated charcoal is known for its deep cleansing and detox properties, aloe vera and pomegranate soothe the skin, making it resplendent. I will pour this product a bit. Being made of activated charcoal, this obviously appears shiny black. This has little runny consistency and is spreading easily even on my dry skin. Activated charcoal has detoxing properties that pulls out deep set oil and dust, which later causes the formation of black and white heads along with acne. Just pumping out a coin-sized amount, as a very little quantity is required. Apply over the wet face, focusing mainly on oily T-zone area. It is super important to wash the face at least twice every day. Once in the morning before stepping out and later before going to the bed after you have taken out all your makeup. Lack of proper cleansing results in the formation of acne and blackheads. My skin feels fresh and clean. The face wash seems to have reduced oil and impurities from the pores. I have left a link to this kit in the description box below. The next product in this kit is my favorite and it is the Face and Body Ubtan. I have previously done a detailed review of this Ubtan. You may check it out. The link is given in the description box below and also on the screen above. The key ingredients of this product are saffron, orange peel, lentil powder, lodra powder, turmeric, natural rose powder, natural jasmine powder, etc. All these are traditionally used in the Ubtans or polishers prepared for the brides. Texture wise, it is slightly coarse but not gritty, hence suitable to be used on the face. Add either rose water or unboiled milk to make a thick paste. Apply generously on your wet skin. This could be a great product for pre-bridal treatments as it thoroughly polishes and makes the skin radiant. Cover the entire face along with other exposed areas like the back of your neck, arms, legs, etc. Massage gently in circular motions. I could feel my tanning go away too, along with blackheads and dead skin. With regular usage, the skin appears visibly smooth and even toned. Wash off later with plain water. The third and the last product of this kit is Bio Skincare Oil. I have reviewed this product as well a few months back about how I used it during my pregnancy to get rid of stretch marks, fine lines and pigmentation. You can find the link to that video in the description box and also on the screen above. After cleansing and exfoliation, the bio oil deeply moisturizes the skin. Its main ingredients are green tea oil, saffron, almond oil, sea buckthorn oil, Moroccan argan oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, passion fruit oil, etc. The bio oil has very non-sticky consistency and does not leave any oiliness behind on the skin. It also gets absorbed easily, so can be used on the face before going to the bed as a night serum for a smoother complexion. The bio oil can also be used on the body after bathing to keep stretch marks at bay. So this was my review of the Pavitra Total Skincare Kit. If you found this video useful, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video. And I will see you all very soon. Till then, bye.